Hi everyone, I just wanted to share with you guys some items that I just received in the mail. I ordered a couple more packs of the Sunshine and Rainbow 6x6 Designer Series paper, which is available now during Sale-A-Bration for free with a $50 purchase. I absolutely love the bright colors that are in this paper pack, so I wanted to get a couple more. We have the Hive 3D embossing folder, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. And then these butterfly and flower mask set. So I was very excited about these. They are layering masks. And they come with these gorgeous flowers. These butterflies. More of the flowers that you can use for layering. This gorgeous background. This background, I love it's like viney. And then this background, which is absolutely beautiful as well. So I'm very excited to use these. I will do some tutorials with them once I get to play around a little bit. The Cactus Cutie stamp set. I think this is really adorable. This is a photopolymer stamp set. The Special Moment stamp set. This is free with a $100 Sale-A-Bration purchase. This is a photopolymer stamp set as well. It's a very large sentiment set. The Flowering Tulip stamp set. This is a photopolymer set. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the sentiments that come in this set, and then also the dies. They're absolutely gorgeous. And look at this, that long one of tulips. I love that. Very excited to use that. The Happy and Heartfelt stamp set. This is red rubber. We have another set that has some fonts that are like this, and I absolutely love it. And they're great for heat embossing as well. This stamp set that I'm going to mispronounce, I think it's Calming Camellia? I don't know, but it's absolutely gorgeous, so that's all that matters. This is a red rubber stamp set. I think this might be a distinctive stamp set, but that flower is absolutely gorgeous, and the detail, I love it. I can't wait to use that. The Driving By stamp set. This is a red rubber stamp set that is free with a $50 Sale-A-Bration purchase. A refill for the Loads of Pun paper pumpkin kit. This was my favorite paper pumpkin kit that I did so far, so I wanted to get the refill kit so I could make some more cards with that. This is new and exciting. So they just came out with Stampin' Blends that are in skin colors. We've never had this before, so I am very excited. We, as demonstrators, can pre-order this now, and I believe on February 1st, customers can purchase these, and they will be in the annual catalog come May. So I'm just very excited that Stampin' UP did this, and I cannot wait to use these. Then, as I've been a demonstrator for a while, I'm starting where just a couple of my ink pads had needed refilling. I had one that needed refilling, and I had to order the ink pad and then wait for it to come in. So I decided to just go ahead, order the whole set of ink pads so that if I run out, I don't have to purchase and wait for one to come in. And then I also went ahead and got our 2 sets of ink colors as well, so I have those. We have our polished dots. These are very pretty. And our iridescent rhinestone basic jewels. I love these as well. Very pretty, sparkly new jewels. Catch you later. This is a red rubber stamp set. I love using this stamp set for coloring in with my blends, and it's got some very cute images. Awesome Otters, which is a free stamp set with a $50 Sale-A-Bration purchase. This is a red rubber stamp set as well. Super cute. In the Moment stamp set, this is another great one for coloring the images in with your blends. I love this stamp set. This is red rubber as well. Then we have our Rainbow of Happiness. This is a photopolymer stamp set. I've already used this one quite a bit. I love these rainbows. And the Brilliant Rainbow dies. I've already put this on my magnetic sheet. I do that for all my dies. Very cute die set. I love this big rainbow. It's great for shaker cards. And then you have this border and a little tag and a cute little rainbow and some clouds. Then we have our Sunshine and Rainbows paper, which is free with a $50 Sale-A-Bration purchase. I love the paper in this pack. It is so cute. I wanted to show you guys the papers that come in this Sunshine and Rainbows Designer Series 6x6 paper pack. I just love the bright colors of all of these papers. These clouds you can cut out with the cloud punch. And these rainbows you can cut out with the rainbow die that comes in the die set. And then we have our cloud punch. I love cutting out the bigger clouds with this for the rainbow set. And then we also have our Abstract Beauty 4x6 paper. This is a new size 4x6 paper pack. It has a lot of gold in it, so very pretty. I can't wait to use this. Definitely geared towards card making, which is wonderful. Friendly hello, this is free with a $100 purchase. This includes the stamp set and the 12x12 Designer Series paper. The stamp set is a photopolymer stamp set. I did use the bird the other day when I made a card for my new team member. Then the 12x12 paper pack. I want to show this to you guys. This is really, really pretty paper. I love that. This is one of my favorites. They did a gorgeous job with this paper. Here's the back side of that. Just soft, pretty colors. That's gorgeous as well. And the back of that, which is very pretty. I just absolutely love this paper pack, and it's such a great deal. Free with a $100 purchase. You get the DSP and the stamp set. The 12x12 Flowering Fields Designer Series paper pack. Like that. That's pretty. That's gorgeous. And this one is my absolute favorite. That's so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. If you don't mind liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope that everybody has a great rest of their weekend.